Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare probiotics' good or bad full comparison. Read labels and pick strains that match your symptoms and diet. I'll explain common benefits, potential risks, and who should be cautious. We will cover how probiotics work, which strains help which issues, and practical tips for choosing a supplement or fermented food. By the end, you'll know when probiotics help and when to consult a healthcare professional. Probiotics can offer clear benefits for specific conditions without being a cure-all. I'll describe which strains are supported by clinical trials and how much to look for on the label. We'll also talk about timing around antibiotics and using fermented foods versus supplements. This section aims to give practical, evidence-aligned advice so you can make informed choices for digestive comfort and general wellness. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof containers make meal prep and storing yogurt or fermented foods so easy, no spills and fridge-friendly. They're perfect for portioning probiotic snacks or lunches, and they save time during busy weeks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Probiotics are generally safe for healthy people, but there are important caveats. I'll outline populations at higher risk, common side effects, and how product quality matters. You'll learn when to pause use and seek medical advice, and how to spot unsafe claims on packaging. This practical guidance helps you weigh benefits against risks and make safer choices if you or a family member have complex health conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.